So it's our last week in Japan and we're heading back to Tokyo. We've decided to stay in Akasaka as it seemed pretty central and a good base to explore other districts like Shibuya, Shinjuku and Ginza. The other main reason is that Akasaka has a Harry Potter themed train station area. It was transformed because the ACT Theatre here is the home of the Chaos Child stage production. It's complete with a portrait-lined staircase, giant time turner and a themed cafe, as well as loads of other hints towards the films around the station. Oh, and just remember, if you're travelling towards Tokyo, when you book your Shinkansen tickets, make sure you book on the left-hand side and get seats D and E if possible, so you get the best chance of viewing Mount Fuji. We'll be staying at the Via Inn Prime Hotel here, which we'll look at in the next video. But for now we've arrived at Tokyo Station, so let's head to Akasaka and check it out. From Tokyo Station, it's only about 11 minutes to Akasaka on the Chiyoda line. Tokyo is a huge city with a population of over 14 million, so be prepared to use the subway system a lot, but at least the trains are clean and on time, unlike the UK. We've arrived, and if you see this as you're exiting Akasaka Station, then you know you're going to the right place. I can hear that they're piping in music from the films too, which is pretty cool. Let's head towards the Harry Potter steps. Make sure to check it out in the evening too, as the whole area is lit up. In the next video we'll have a look at the hotel that we booked here, which is the Via Inn Prime Akasaka, and then in the next few videos we'll be looking at different areas around Tokyo, and also our trips to Lake Kawaguchi to see Mount Fuji, one of Japan's 3 great Buddhas at Kamakura, and then an amazing sunset at Enoshima Island. So you can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell, and then we'll let you know when the new videos are out.